Air pollution is a growing concern worldwide. There are many sources of pollution. Nowadays, it is even found in our homes, but it is often neglected. This pollution causes many deaths and diseases such as asthma, COPD, etc. To protect our body, we need a pollution free environment in our homes, which can be achieved using an air purifier. But the air purifiers present in current market are very expensive, and hence a common person cannot afford this. Also, these require heavy maintenance of their filters.
Our solution tackles the problem of air pollution in our homes using affordable and simple water sprinkler technology. So this fan sucks the air from the surroundings and it sends it to this purifier. Here, it is facilitated to mix with water in the form of sprinkler so that particles such as PM2.5, PM10, etc. dissolve in it and come down the drainage. So the clear air is facilitated to come out using this fan. And as we know, particulate matter is the main cause of various respiratory diseases such as asthma, bronchitis, etc. And our prototype can also be installed in hospitals, etc. to clean the air. So this is also a UV light which we have a provision to capture pathogens such as viruses and bacteria. And we also have a provision for packed bag of charcoal which also captures particulate
Our
matter.
solution is simple and very effective, yet affordable to every common person.
As you can see, we have replicated the smoke in our homes using this incense stick. The average AQI in our homes is roughly 200 ppm and it can go even up to 300 during winters. So as we can see, the pollution level is slowly decreasing.
During the recent experiments, we have got a reduction of 80% in pollution level. But in next 10 days, our team plan to utilize the funds and get better AQI sensors and other necessary items to test the prototype in closed chamber in order to test the crucial parameters in different environments. After that, our product will be finalized and will market to the potential consumers and work on the feedback.
Like and share the video to support our team.